An ordinary poem. The love I feel for you today is so special, so very special. And the so frail, soft dance of the May sun on my face, a completely surreal tenderness. I'm writing a poem for you, an ordinary poem from an unusual man, a poem that celebrates love even when there is no love, or it seems to be so far away, like this morning, which I know will never dawn again. This poem, a completely ordinary poem, will not spawn a quiver or evolutions, a smile or a tear. It will not start an uprising of emotions. It will not stop a beat or a quiver or a gleam or a glare of an eye. People too decent will say politely how nice it is, perhaps gentle. Yet they will really think it's shallow and weak, undeserving of a reading, or of any mention whatsoever. True, it seems so frail, curled up like a bird, insecure in the shiver of a trembling heart. This is a song that won't move or change the world, a man or a woman. It is naked, a virgin, a girl without ornaments or big thoughts. It is no wordplay or magic and sorcery I celebrate you with, my enchantress. And no one will hear in it an orphanage, the adagio that strikes deep in the futile me with the silent force, and the music of the heart entrapping the harmony and the beauty of the world. Nobody will see the string players of the soul, those heads bowed in a trance over the basses and cellos, or the perkiness and tenderness of violins and violas, my uninterrupted joy and pain. I'm writing an ordinary poem today, so happy and sad, a poem nobody will notice or recognize. When we disappear, the only witnesses before or after our love, insecure in the shiver of a trembling and struggling heart. I want you to know, my enchantress, today I have built an eternal pyramid in the glory of this day, of this moment, of this feeling, the fulfillment and our promise, with an ordinary poem by an unusual man. A pyramid in which nobody, yearning, hungry, and thirsty for greed and revenge, will ever loot our magic and secret in this desert, abundant with hunger and thirst.